Welcome back to Crafting with Pui Designs, Canva edition. In this tutorial, I will show you how to share your Canva template with your buyers. If you're selling Canva templates, and just like this one, Canva frames, Canva templates, anything from Canva, and you want to share the link, the template with your buyers, I'll show you how to do that. When you go here, you see share, copy link, and share. All this is for collaborations, for someone that you're working with. It's not for buyers. I'll show you which link to get. You come in here, you choose template link. You share the template with them, you choose template link, and when you select this one, you will see this. Anyone with this link can use this design as a template. Sign in is required, but you won't know who has made copies of the design. You know, that's for the back end where you don't see because you share the template with them. And you click here, copy. Okay, and when you copied it, you go. I use Google. I go to Google, and I go to Google Documents. And here I will start a new document. Okay. And then I have the link, the template link copied on my clipboard. I will go here to link and I will paste it here. Okay. And then I will write the name of the template. The name of the template. Let's say the name, graduation frame for top supporters. Top supporters. And then I will apply it, and this will be the link. And now you can bring it down and go right here. Say thank you for your purchase. Here is the link to your Canva. Okay, and one thing I do, I add my logo down here, and I also add a picture of the frame. Let's say I would download the frame as a transparent. I want only one. Uncheck here, and I will select this one. It's the only one I want, and I will download it. Okay, I'm here. I will go to insert image from my computer. I'll download in downloads, and here I have it. I will bring it in here. It will be big, but you can shrink it down. I started adding my image, my Canva frame image to my downloads, to this one, so that I don't get confused with all the frames I have. Okay, and if you have other information to add, like visit my website, visit my Etsy shop, you can put the link down here. Okay, and I will go here and change it up. Grad frame for top supporters. Okay, and this is the name of the frame. And now you're going to download it into your computer. Download as a PDF, and it will come into your computer. Okay, and when you create your Etsy listing, you will upload this PDF that we just created. This is what you will upload in your Etsy shop, in the portal where you need to upload downloadable files. If you need help with how to upload these files on Etsy, I have a video for that here on my channel. So when customers purchase the file, They will get this PDF. When they open it, the link will take them to the frame. Let's see that. Let's check it out really quick. Okay, I will click on here and I will copy it. Okay, and then I will go here and I will go open new incognito window and I will paste it in here. Paste and enter. You see, a template created by CashApp shared with you. Start designing now. And then you will, when you click on here, it will ask you to sign in. And then you will go. And this is on the back end. On here, you don't have control anymore. The person who purchased the file is now will use it, and you won't see their images because they have a copy of the template. I hope this video helps you. Please subscribe and click on the notification bell to be notified every time I upload a new video. This is Pui Designs Canva edition. Thank you.